With age, men's hair will definitely begin to thin out. Over 85% of men experience a major hair thinning by the time they reach age of 50. Fortunately, there are many hairstyles out there that you can rock even with thinner hair. If you, like many others, are worried about your thinning hair or fine hair like mine, you've come to the right place. In today's video, I've made a list of tips and tricks that you can use to make your thin hair or fine hair look thicker and fuller. And along with that, I'm gonna give you a list of hairstyles that you can sport specifically if you've got thin hair like mine. If you are someone who has thinner hair, my first recommendation is to keep your hair length on the shorter side. A pro tip for you guys here is that you should always use a hair wash with natural ingredients and ideally zero chemicals in them, and you should use something which has both conditioning qualities and the wash qualities. So 2-in-1 product would be better for you, so you don't have to use 2 different products, and of course you end up saving time and water while you're taking a shower. Post shower, once you've towel dried your hair, you must apply a hair serum before styling your hair. It helps protect your hair from the damage of the heat from the hairdryer and of course nourishes your hair as well. So it acts as a pre-styler for your hair and will also play a role in adding volume when styled. The next step is to use a blow dryer and finish off your hair with a styling product. I prefer a clay personally that will help provide hold and pliability through the day. My current hairstyle is a mullet. Do try it out if you like to experiment. I think it's a really cool one and you can rock your own version of it. I always have a bonus tip for you guys as an incentive to watch my videos all the way to the end, so do stay tuned and make sure that you don't miss it out. Now, let's see the different hairstyles that you can rock with thinner or fine hair. First one is a slick back hairstyle. Slicking your hair back can be an excellent way to make your hair appear denser. By pushing all of your hair in one direction, you're drawing more attention to the fuller areas of your hair. Just be careful that you do not go overboard with the amount of product that you use. Ideally, the best product to use is a water-based pomade for this style. Next is a textured crop with tapered sides. The textured crop is perfect for men that are thinning out on various parts of their scalp. With a textured crop, you can easily style your hair to hide those thinning spots. While the textured crop, the longer strands will look heavier, adding texture and a bit of volume to your hair. To style, use a hair clay. Work a small amount of clay from the roots to the ends of your hair to create texture and movement. Next is a comb over with a fade. The comb over combined with a fade is an excellent choice for those with fine hair. The sharp contrast between the shorter sides and having more volume on top will help your hair appear look thicker and fuller. You can use a water-based pomade to get the desired hold for this hairstyle. Next is a soft and spiky hairstyle. Soft spikes are perfect for creating the look of volume and fullness. The soft spike hairstyle is great for those who have super flat hair or are thinning out in various areas of the scalp. You can use a clay for rocking this look. And a general thumb rule, I advise to stay away from products like hair gel, hair sprays, hair powders. They tend to strip your scalp of its essential oils and cause dryness. Next is a CREWCUT. Another great hairstyle for men with thinner hair is the CREWCUT. The hairstyle is perfect for those who want to have a low maintenance haircut and are starting to see thinning happening towards the top of their hair. Both modern and stylish, the contrast of the shorter shaved side and longer hair on top creates the perfect balance. The small amount of texture in your hair helps to create a natural lift to the hair. Ideal for those who are experiencing a receding hairline. The great thing about the CREWCUT hairstyle is that it requires very little styling product. You can literally towel dry, use a hair serum and you're good to go. Next is the comb over. Whether you're going out for the night or for the office, the comb over is a perfect stylish look for men with thin hair. To get the look, create a side part in your hair and comb it over to your preference. Add a small amount of water-based pomade to keep your hair in place all day long. Well, That's it for this video. Thanks a lot for tuning in, and I hope this video is going to help you get your confidence back and you're not going to think about your thin hair again, and you can rock one of these hairstyles and be super confident about it. And now that you've watched this video all the way to the end, it's time to reward you with a bonus tip. So here it is. If you are starting to see different spots on the top of your scalp, then the best way that you can spot a new look would be to go shorter on the hair and start growing a beard. This is going to be a perfect style and a good combination by giving more volume to your beard and less to your hair. A beard is a great addition to a shorter haircut. This will create a sharp contrast between your shorter hair on the top and longer at the bottom. It is excellent for creating a well-balanced look. Well, I hope you guys liked the ideas that I suggested in this video, and it's going to help your thin and fine hair look more fuller and dense. Do try them out and let me know in the comment section below what you feel about them, if they're helping you or not. I would love to hear from you. You can also find me on my Instagram handle at badesra.r. You can reach out to me and send me a DM and I'll definitely respond to you. Do check out my latest videos on digital fashion and NFTs, as well as some summer outfit ideas for you guys so that you can remain in style and fashionable this season. That's it for this video, friends. Thanks a lot for tuning in. I'll see you guys next week on Thursday at 9:15 a.m. And until then, remember friends, life is more fun when you're at the top of your game.